Hello everybody, I want to show you this simple example of how to use Python in Excel. It's a very simple example, nothing that you cannot do with a regular formula. So into this cell here, E7, we got a function that just adds two numbers that we give as parameter x and y into this function. The function is called add. So it accepts two parameters x and y and returns x plus y, so just the sum of these two numbers. And so we can use this this function into another cell of Excel. We use it here, and here we call this function add, giving it two parameters, but we don't insert them into here directly, but we get them from two cells, this one under this text input 1 and this one under the text input 2. So we just can write here 20 and here 10, and we get the sum 30 here. So nothing fancy, but in the function we also used some print statement to say to the user or to ourselves if we forget what we have done with this in this Excel sheet. If we use it after some times, we can see in the diagnostic here that we are using the add function. The input 1 is 10 at this cell, the input 2 is 20, and the result is 30 and is contained in the cell L11. So we can use this with the addition that Python can do is that you can use some, for example, very basic, some print statement to show what is going on to the user. So that's all for today, and see you next time. Bye.